Now hold your breath because someone is going to draw the strings of our hearts and will add his soothing voice to cherish our souls by chanting us a beautiful song.
He is a Cebuano singer-songwriter and a full-time musician in California, USA. He is someone who regarded his life in US as comfortable enough in terms of basic needs for his family. But his heart still belongs to Cebu. And since he arrived there in 2006 until now, he has not emotionally adjusted to be away from home.
And the only thing that made him survive in the US is music and his family. Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Rolly Wagas.
Mayong adlaw, good day sa tanan. Happy World Teachers Day. Ilabi na sa tanang mga teachers sa DEPED Division of Danao City, Philippines. Pinanguluhan ni Dr. Lea Pinoveras, ang inyong school division superintendent, and to Dr. Leviticus M. Barazon Jr., Assistant School Division Superintendent of our course, sa akong friend si Sir Gemelo. And here's a song I wrote para sa tanang mga teachers. Natulog pa ang adlaw, apan sila gipukaw. Sa ilang kaakuhan, nagipanumpaan. Initugulan, usahay maglakaw lang. May bali ang tanan, maabot lang sa tulunghaan. Dala ang kinaadman, alang sa kabataan. Kay sila ang kaugmaon, sa yutang natawhan. Oh, teacher, daghang salamat sa imong pag-alagad. Bayani sa tulunghaan, angay pasidunggan. Teacher, daghang salamat sa imong pag-alagad. Bayani sa tulunghaan, kaabat sa kauswagan. Nagtipunog ang lesson plan, deadline sa graduhanan. Estudyanteng badlungon, kinahanglang atimanon. Reklamo sa ginikanan, pangitag kasulbaran. Musayaw pa mo kanta, may dagkong bisita. Oh, teacher, daghang salamat sa imong pag-alagad. Bayani sa tulunghaan, angay pasidunggan. Teacher, daghang salamat sa imong pag-alagad. Bayani sa tulunghaan, kaabat sa